If Telegram isn't showing images or videos on your iPhone and the media stays blurry or won't load, don't worry. Follow these simple steps to fix the issue quickly. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. If you're using a VPN or proxy app, turn it off and ensure you are on the latest version. If that does not work, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check Telegram app permissions. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down to the bottom and tap Apps. Then go to Telegram. Make sure photos, mobile data are enabled and background app refresh is enabled. Without photo access, Telegram can't display downloaded images or videos. Solution 2. Clear Telegram's media cache. Go to iPhone settings, then tap General. Now go to iPhone storage. Find Telegram in the list. Tap Offload app. This removes the app but keeps your data. Tap Reinstall app. This clears out technical glitches. Solution 3. Check automatic media download settings. Go to Telegram settings, then go to Data and Storage. Under Automatic Media Download, now tap Using Cellular and turn on Auto Media Download. Scroll down and ensure the photos and video toggles are all switched on. Now tap Using Wi-Fi and turn on Auto Media Download. Scroll down and ensure the photos and videos toggles are all switched on. If this helped, like the video, subscribe and turn on notifications for more Telegram and iPhone fixes. See you in the next one.